The year was 2020. A deadly virus, COVID-19, swept across the globe. Fear and uncertainty were everywhere. In these unprecedented times, accurate information was crucial, but something else was spreading just as quickly. Misinformation. This wasn't just random internet noise. Powerful media outlets, particularly Fox News, appeared to prioritize ideology over public health. They downplayed the severity of the virus, peddled conspiracy theories, and undermined trust in science and experts. The consequences were disastrous. Millions tuned in, absorbing a steady diet of dangerous lies. This wasn't just irresponsible journalism, it was a betrayal of public trust with deadly consequences. This is the story of how Fox News pandemic coverage failed its viewers and fueled a public health crisis. To understand Fox News' role in the pandemic, we need to understand its history. For decades, Fox News has positioned itself as the voice of conservative America. It built a loyal audience by tapping into existing anxieties and grievances. This created an environment ripe for misinformation. Fox News' primetime lineup, led by figures like Sean Hannity, Tucker Carlson, and Laura Ingraham, became masters of outrage and fear-mongering. They presented a distorted view of reality, one where liberals, scientists, and the mainstream media were the enemy. This constant barrage of biased information created an echo chamber where viewers were shielded from dissenting opinions. When the pandemic hit, this pre-existing ecosystem of distrust became a breeding ground for misinformation. Viewers, primed to distrust anything that challenged their worldview, were more likely to accept Fox News' downplaying of the virus. This had tragic consequences for public health. As the virus ravaged communities and hospitals overflowed, Fox News anchors downplayed the severity of COVID-19. They compared it to the flu, dismissing concerns as panic and hysteria. They claimed it was a hoax orchestrated by the left to hurt then-President Trump. They ridiculed public health measures like mask wearing and social distancing, framing them as assaults on personal liberty. They promoted unproven treatments like hydroxychloroquine, giving false hope to a desperate public. They even platformed discredited doctors who peddled conspiracy theories, giving them a veneer of legitimacy. This constant stream of misinformation had a profound impact on Fox News viewers. Studies showed that Fox News viewers were less likely to believe in the severity of the virus, less likely to comply with public health guidelines, and more likely to engage in risky behavior. Section 4. The psychological toll of disinformation. The impact of Fox News coverage went beyond public health. It took a psychological toll on its viewers. Constant exposure to fear-mongering and misinformation created a climate of anxiety and distrust. Viewers were bombarded with conflicting narratives, unsure who or what to believe. This confusion and uncertainty fueled polarization, pitting Americans against each other. Families were torn apart over differing beliefs about the virus, friendships fractured, and communities divided. The mental health consequences were significant. Rates of anxiety, depression, and stress skyrocketed. The pandemic was a collective trauma, and for many Fox News viewers, the misinformation they consumed only exacerbated the emotional toll. Section 5. The deadly consequences of doubt. The consequences of Fox News' misinformation campaign were real and measurable. Studies have shown a strong correlation between Fox News viewership and negative public health outcomes during the pandemic. Areas with higher Fox News viewership had higher rates of COVID-19 infections and deaths. This wasn't just a coincidence. The network's relentless downplaying of the virus and its attacks on public health measures had real-world consequences. People died because they believed the lies they were told. They refused to wear masks, avoided social distancing, and dismissed the vaccine, all because their trusted news source told them it was okay. Section 6. A betrayal of trust. The COVID-19 pandemic was a test of our information ecosystem, and Fox News failed spectacularly. Instead of providing accurate information and promoting public health, the network chose to prioritize ideology and profits over the well-being of its viewers. This wasn't just irresponsible journalism, it was a betrayal of public trust with deadly consequences. The lies that Fox News peddled almost certainly cost lives, divided communities, and eroded faith in our institutions. The long-term consequences of this disinformation campaign are still unfolding, but one thing is clear: the scars of this betrayal will be felt for generations to come. Please subscribe to the Intellectualist's new YouTube channel, where we present insightful videos analyzing the current events shaping the world. Turn on notifications to receive the latest updates from the channel.